I'm going to use this plain all-round timber board from Coal Timbers, cut it into two 400mm lengths and turn it into a beautiful and practical DIY hanging jewellery storage organiser. These are the materials that you will need. And these are the tools that you'll need. First step is always sand your wood pieces, making sure the edges and surfaces are smooth. Luckily, Coal Timbers only requires light sanding. Next is I'm going to start the construction of this project and use a pencil to mark the drill guideline. Then I'm marking out the 3 drill holes. I'm using a countersink bit in my drill and I am just drilling the holes where I've marked them. That screw head is going to sit nice and flush inside the countersink hole. Now the holes are done, we can apply wood glue to the join and reassemble. Making sure the glue makes constant contact while drying. Then drive in the wood screws. And fill in the holes. Next, I've evenly spaced out the cup hooks every 3 centimeters. And I'm just marking out those measurements in the center. The reason why I'm using a small 3mm wood drill bit to drill shallow pilot holes is because cup hooks are really hard to insert in wood from the start, so these holes really help the thread just get a grip and easier to screw into the project. So you can leave this project in its natural pine state or you can stain it. So I've decided to stain it a beautiful teak wood color. And remember guys, if you do choose on staining it, it will be a lot easier to put the cup hooks in after staining. So the dowel stick, I have sprayed a beautiful gold, but you could leave this in its natural wood state as well. But I always love spray painting, and I attach 2 hooks that are going to hold this dowel stick into place. And then we are done. Now we can attach it to the wall, decorate it, and hang all your favorite pieces of jewellery and some other ornaments. I'm happy with how this project turned out. It's super easy and fun to do, and it would make a perfect gift for that special lady in your life. Or one for yourself. And remember, keep smiling and DIYing.